We have learned that when listening to the Dharma, we should hold clearly in our minds the five perfections. The teacher is the Buddha. The place is the Buddha field. The assembly is the retinue of the Buddha. The teaching is that of the great vehicle. And time is the ever-revolving wheel of eternity. The teacher embodies the essence of all Buddhas of the past, present, and future. The Buddha also states in the sutras, the teacher is the emanation of all Buddhas, and his essence is inseparable from that of the Buddhas. For example, when Buddha Shakyamuni was about to enter parinirvana, he told Ananda and other disciples, "Don't feel sad, Ananda. Don't lament, Ananda. In future times I will take the form of spiritual teachers to help you and others." The teacher is the union of the three jewels. The teacher is a union of the three roots. The teacher is a union of the three kayas.